अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव। So far we have seen how the Guru is the expression of Bhagavan himself for the sake of the Shishya, in order to guide the Shishya to the highest reality. Then we also saw how the terms acharya is used. Even though acharya and guru are synonymously used, the word acharya has a certain connotation, a certain meaning. Yesterday we saw the definition also, not? Achinotihi shastrartan achare sthapayatyapi swayam acharate yaccha tam acharyam prachakshate. So achinotihi shastrartan, one who is able to glean the important aspects of the Shastra. Glean means what? You have a overview of the entire Shastra and then you take those things which are essential. It's called gleaning. So, which requires a thorough comprehension of the Shastra and to know what is mentioned where, how it is mentioned, in what way it is expressed. In this way, an acharya is a person who has got an exemplary comprehension of the Shastra and then who is able to take those points together. And not that take those points together and keep it in some notebook. Not like that. He is able to have that comprehension and it is well placed in his mind, well placed in his heart. Achinoti hi shastrarthan achare sthapayatyapi. And one who has got the capacity, one who has got that ability, and one who has that inner force, not external force, it's an inner force which compels, which inspires the other person to emulate. That you see such a person, then you feel, this is how I want to be. This is how I should be. So one who has that inspirational power and wherever required, the force of authority also. This is what, do it. So one who is able to do that. Acharya sthapayatyapi. And what about himself? Swayam acharate yacha. And he or she himself becomes the epitome of that teaching. Who lives the teaching, who inspires for the student the practice of the teaching. So everywhere you see, it has got connection with teaching. Who knows the teaching of the Shastra, who gives the teaching of the Shastra, who lives the teaching of the Shastra, who inspires the student to follow the teaching of the Shastra. So everywhere you find Shastra, 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 Shastra in the acharya. So this is how the word acharya. We saw that, and now we come to the word guru. Yesterday we saw what the word guru literally means. What does the word guru literally mean? It means guru is the opposite of lagu. Lagu is light. So guru means heavy. Guru means big. Lagu means small. Guru means big. I remember long back I have come across a verse. I don't remember the exact verse now, but I think it is from Aryabhattiyam. Aryabhatta. He says, he's addressing the prayer to Goddess Saraswati. He says, for a long time, there has been a topic of heated debate in this world whether lagu moves round the guru or guru moves round the lagu. But Goddess Saraswati, by your grace, is it not true? By your grace I have understood, and is it not true? It is only the lagu which will go round the guru, and how can the guru go round the lagu? I'm sure you also wonder, what is he talking? Aryabhatta is a work on astronomy and mathematics. Astronomy specifically. And you know the first satellite, I do not know if you know, the first satellite sent by our country is also named Aryabhatta. The book composed by him is Aryabhattiyam. So what is this lagu going around the guru, confusion about lagu going around the guru, guru going around the lagu? He's playing a pun upon the words. Because the guru means an object of higher density. And lagu means an object of lower density. So what is he talking? Meaning, he's saying there is a doubt whether the sun moves around the earth or earth moves around the sun. And this debate is going on for long. But by your grace, I can assuredly tell everyone that what? It is the earth which goes round the sun and not the sun which goes round the earth, because lagu will go round the guru, not the guru round the lagu. Meaning the earth is an object of lower density, whereas sun is an object of higher density. An object of lower density, lagu, light, small, will have to go around the object of larger density, which is bigger, which is guru. And he's playing a pun upon the words. Why? Guru also means teacher. Guru also means guru. Right? And because guru means teacher, he's saying lagu should be student. So student will go pradakshina for the guru. Will the guru go pradakshina to the shishya? So you can see how the usage of the word lagu and guru. Is it not? But Swamiji, yes, guru, lagu in the context of these heavenly bodies is clear. But in the context of teaching in the context of a person, it is not the Guru means it's very heavy person or very large person. And what is the meaning of this? Guru means this. I do not know in... Okay, do you know what is the translation for this English word? This was a title given to some very exemplary scholar, the Right Honorable Srinivasa Shastri. Have you heard this? Srinivasa Shastri, have you heard? He was a great professor of philosophy and knowledge, a great exemplary. His English was so good, it seems. I'm talking of the British times, that when he used to go and lecture in English in England, the professors there would come and listen to him because his English was so good at that time. So he was given a title, Right Honorable. And the Right Honorable is translated in Sanskrit or other languages, Indian languages also, Mahaganam. Mahaganam. How many of you here know Kannada, Telugu, Tamil? In all these languages you will find Mahaganam. Mahaganam means what? Ganam means weight. But Mahaganam, he was a very short man, he was not a very tall man, short man only. Mahaganam, Srinivasa Shastri is coming. In English also we will use some words like this. They are very big people, huh? Very big people. What big here means what? Very big or what? Brahman, the word also means big. Brihatvat Brahma. So when you say Guru, which means big, and you are referring to, sometimes we call big people, let's say in my mother tongue, big people, we call Periyavar. Avarla romba periyavarunga. Periyavar. Periyavar means very big. But you see, big. Also look at your own mother tongues. You will find Kanchi Periyavar. Periyavar, the word is used. So this big, this large, all these expressions are equivalent to the word Brahman. Brihatvat Brahma. So when we say Guru, we are referring to somebody who is high, great, big, large, honorable, worthy of worship, because he is one with Brahman. Because he is identical, because of his abidance in Brahman, abidance in the highest reality. So if acharya is a word with reference to the Shastra and the teaching, Guru is a word with reference to the experience of the highest reality. I'm talking of the technical words, the words how in the Shastra, how these words have got these connotations. You may remember that when we were studying sadhana, when we are studying sadhana panchakam now, in the context of the Guru, we use two words. Remember the word? Shrotriya Brahmanishta. Shrotriya Brahmanishta. And Shrotriya, what did we say? Shrotriya is a person who has got exemplary comprehension of the Shastra. And Brahmanishta is a person who has abidance in Brahman. So you have these two words. So an acharya is with respect to the Shastra, and Guru is with respect to that experience, with respect to that abidance in the highest reality. The word acharya is not just only used in Vedanta context. For example, Drona Acharya, Kripa Acharya. Have you heard these names in Mahabharata? Dronacharya, Kripacharya, like that many acharyas of the Shastra of that field. Dronacharya is acharya of Dhanurvidya, the science of archery, warfare, and he was the guru of the Pandavas and Kauravas. Before he was the guru, Kripacharya was the guru. Right? So the word acharya also goes with various shastras. Okay? So now we have seen the word acharya, we have seen the word guru. Now then what? Do you think these have to be always different? Do you think acharya is acharya, guru? So that needs some more discussion and thinking, is it not? So we will take it up tomorrow, this point. Okay? Shri Krishna. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ